Welcome on YouTube. It's your boy Click Man, and you're tuned to Click React. Today I'm gonna be looking at the video Deji made. I don't know if you guys seen this, but Deji and Floyd Mayweather fought the other day. Obviously, Floyd won, and Deji got off a good shot on Floyd. So this is just his after fight speech or reaction, just talking about how he felt and stuff like that, man. So again, Deji's come a long way. So big things for him. Obviously, it doesn't take a little boy. Can't just go in the ring and just go toe to toe with Floyd and not get knocked out, right? Like, we know he's not a knockout artist, but these guys are not professionals. So it's like, it's a good feat. Like, not everybody could do that, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, turn on post notifications, smash the like button, and let me know what you think, man. Do you think he should have landed more than one shot? Because we know how Floyd is, man. He is great. If not the greatest of all time, he's right there with Ali, you know what I'm saying? Guys, I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace. Appreciate you for watching.
The fight with Floyd Mayweather. It was a weird one. For those who didn't watch the fight, so there was a lot of discrepancies. And I know this is Floyd's tactic, the money team. This is what they.
Let's be real, man. There's no damn discrepancy. You got schooled.
Their tactic. Let me get into the nitty gritty. So in my contract, we were meant to fight 14-ounce gloves. All right. 14-ounce gloves. It's been in my contract from the beginning and to the end.
Okay.
Well, kind of the end. But then last minute, they're like, Floyd wants to fight in 10-ounce gloves. And I'm like, wait, what? That was never part of the contract.
Bro, the fact that you fought in 10-ounce gloves is the reason why you even got that shot off to land. Because it swole Floyd's cheek a little. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but that's why. A little quicker, a little bit more knuckle in there.
What is going on? I don't understand why it's gone from 14 to 10. When it was 14
that is a little strange.
Anyway, this whole thing goes on for a long ass time. It was long, man. It was really, really long. Eventually, I conceded. I said that I'll fight in 10-ounce gloves, but I told the Global Titans that you need to give me danger money. Because right now, I'm going up against 50-0, 5-weight class champion, whatever, Floyd Mayweather.
And do you know who's fighting?
What was meant to be a 14-ounce gloves exhibition turned into a 10-ounce gloves exhibition. It was essentially a pro fight. Mad. But you need to understand, I had a massive adrenaline dump. Okay. I was warming up and everything. Warming up with my 14-ounce gloves, whatever, this, that, blah, blah, blah. And then I get the news, 10-ounce gloves. Okay. And then it's literally an hour and a half of nothing.
For you guys who don't know, it definitely does make a difference. The weight of the gloves do make a difference.
Going on. Just,
damage taken and damage you're able to give.
Like, it's meant to be 10-ounce, it's meant to be 14-ounce gloves. Why is it now 10-ounce gloves? My brother was there.
I wonder what the reasoning is. I hope he does give it.
Fighting for me. My mum was there too, fighting for me. Daily, Leon, like literally Shane as well, fighting for me. Being like what is this? And Ryan as well. I had people from the money team, Floyd's team, being like, bro, Deji, Floyd just wants to go in there and just have a little fun with you. He's not gonna hit you hard or anything.
This is, I don't know if he should have said that, but this is what tells me that all these fights, even with Logan Paul, Jake Paul, all of them, there's some scripting going on. What do you mean he's not gonna hit you hard? The first time Floyd fought, who did he fight? Was it Jake or Logan? I don't even know. Who cares? That just tells me right there. That to me is him admitting. I didn't even know he was going to say some shit like this. But that just tells me that this shit is set up.
I promise. You have my word on that, bro. You have my word. So I'm thinking like, okay, cool. You know what? Screw it. I'm going to just do the 10-ounce gloves. It won't be a big deal. I've got this guy's word. He's clearly like Floyd's right-hand man. I'm going to trust him. And then he also told me that when you get into the clinch, just tell Floyd, like, relax a little bit. And he'll relax on the power. So I'm thinking, alright, you know what, cool. Alright, this is alright. It's
Are you guys hearing this? Does this guy know that? Does he know what he's doing?
We're gonna fight, but
the implications here are kind of crazy.
He's gonna kind of go at my pace, you know? He'll go at my pace. Yeah, no, he didn't. Okay, not once. The first round, yeah, he was going slow, but he was hitting me hard. He was hitting me hard. Now, you're probably gonna be like, oh,
bro, you're a grown man.
It's only 30%. No, trust me, he was hitting me hard.
Yeah, well, he wasn't killing you.
Because from the first round to
regardless, just a scream stage.
The last round, the power was the exact same. I remember I clinched him, and I was like, bruh, relax. And you know what he said to me? Shut up. I'm Floyd Mayweather. I do what I want. So I'm just like, okay, cool. I'm like, screw it. I'm here now. Let's bang. Let's fight. And yeah, I mean, if you've seen the fight, then I was told that I hit him 25 times. I'll take that. I mean, I gave the man a black eye. I'll take that. Realistically, that's a W. Apparently, this man has never been cut before or had any sort of bruise. So I'm apparently the first guy to bruise a 50-0 champ. I mean, I will take that W.
Big feat for sure.
I will take spam W's in the comments, please. Spam all the dubs in the comments. But yeah, I just wanted to give you my take on that. I gave Floyd Mayweather a black eye. Yeah, obviously there was some stuff that got recorded behind the scenes of when I was in Dubai. Okay. That will be uploaded on my channel soon.
Hey man, don't say too much on that video because I feel like you sell.
I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a good experience. Honestly, there's a lot that I learned from it. And whoever I fight next, I literally just feel sorry for you because I fought Floyd.
That's true. It's like you play against pros and then you go play against these nobodies and it's like, oh shit, I'm so much faster and I can react so much faster.
I'm not gonna be scared to fight anyone anymore. And this guy he wasn't holding back. People keep saying, oh, Floyd was holding back. Trust me.
Yeah, he did.
He was not holding back. And
bro, you admitted to him holding back. Because regardless, he did not, if he's gonna say, oh, he'll do what he wants or whatever, he was just playing with you, bro. You literally told us that the man's right-hand man said that. You know what I mean?
I realized something. He has like some ego. I did push-ups, you know, your wait time or whatever, you know, your rest time. That pissed him off, all right? When I did that to him, he was angry. He was like, cool, I'm gonna hurt you, bro. I'm gonna hurt you. I saw it in his eyes. But I knew what the playing field was. Right. I understood. It was a good experience, and I had a lot of fun. Do I look like I've been hurt? It hasn't even been 24 hours since the fight. Do I look like I've been hurt? I'm back in England. Do I even look like I've been hurt? But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys very soon on my channel. Yeah.
You guys tell me what that sounds like. If that's not admission that these things are staged, I don't know what is. Oh, he wants to go. Floyd said he just wants to put a bang on the 10 ounce gloves. He's not going to hit you too hard. He just wants to have fun. Oh, when you get in the clinch, just say relax and he will relax. Regardless, if you are saying that he didn't relax, the fact was that beforehand, before the fight, you were told these things. So that means that these things happen on a regular basis. And now I really don't believe any of these fights are legit. That's for Floyd, at least. I don't know about the other YouTubers versus YouTubers. But now I'm starting to feel like something isn't right. Because we all suspected that, yo, these things happen. And I really feel like this just told us much more than he should have. But guys, let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.